Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we can divide into two fractions in here. The first one, that's about the square root of s over s plus 3 dx. And then we have the second one in here. That's about number 3. Now, about this one, this is so simple. You will have about 3 ln of the absolute value of s plus 3. Now, I will concentrate about this one. So, we can use about integration by substitution. So, I will put about s equals to u square, because if I put this one go in here, we can cancel about the square root. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. We have the s equals to 2u du. About this one, we change by s. The s we change by this one. The square root of u square, you got about u. U with u, we have u square. Number 2, I will put in here. So I need to add about number 3. Later that we need to minus about number 3 in here. U square plus 3 divided by u square plus 3. You will have about number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, you got about u. The integration of this one, we have negative number 3 over the square root of number 3. Or tan of u over the square root of number 3. And we put about c in here. About u, this is about this one. So we put the square root for the both sides. So we have u equals to the square root of s. So I need to put this one to replace for u. And now we need to combine this one in here. And we got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.